Hello everyone, I thought I'll give you a quick update on my lacy dress. It is coming along quite nicely and I think I will be able to finish it much sooner than I originally thought I would. So I have 5 different lacy stitches in total and I separate each lacy stitch with rows of double crochets. Well, it's a row of double crochets, then one row of double crochet, one chain, double crochet, one chain, and then again a row of double crochets. And not only it looks pretty, but this is actually very useful because it helps me keep track of the amount of stitches I have, and therefore I'm able to figure out how to do the decreases so that I do it evenly and smoothly. So right now I already decreased 12 stitches, 12 double crochets. So from this first round of double crochets over here to this last round of double crochets over there, there is a decrease of 12 stitches, and 12 double crochets correspond to one motif over here. So now I can add another strip of these lacy motifs and the amount of stitches will work out perfectly. Over here I started with 18 motifs in the round, but over here I have 17 motifs in the round. I also want to mention how I'm going to connect this strip to the bigger piece, because I think that could be a useful information to someone. I think chain loops are one of the easiest and really useful ways to connect two crochet pieces together. The way it works is you start crocheting chain loops on one piece. You take a chain loop that is odd in number and then you replace the middle chain with a single crochet which you make into the other piece. For example, I'm going to use chain 7s. So I'm gonna make 3 chains and then replace the middle chain, the 4th chain, with a single crochet, which I will make on this piece. Then again, I will make 3 chains and make a single crochet on this piece. Again, I will make 3 chains and make a single crochet over here, replacing the middle chain with a single crochet. Then I will make 3 chains and make a single crochet here. So let me show it to you in practice. Here I already started joining the strip to the bigger piece. So here is how I do it. Three chains, and then I make a single crochet on the other piece. So instead of the 4th chain, I make a single crochet. And then again, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and I go back to the lacy strip and I make a single crochet here. So this looks like a chain loop, chain 7 loop, but actually the very middle chain is replaced with a single crochet. So I'll show it again. So 3 chains and a single crochet on the 2nd piece, and then 3 chains and a single crochet into the 1st piece. And that's how 2 pieces get connected, and it looks just like chain loops. Oh my goodness, look what I just did. I started joining the lacy strip, but I'm joining it to the wrong end. It needs to go over here. This is where I need to join it. Oh. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to include this little clip in my video. I probably should. I probably should share with you that I make a lot of mistakes, and sometimes those mistakes are really silly. I'm just gonna put it aside and I'll redo it tomorrow. I think that's enough of crocheting for today, but I do want to show you one more thing in this video. And just look at it. I bought more of this yarn. I bought 5 more skeins of YarnArt Begonia, and this one is there is no name for the color, just a number, but I think it's very beautiful. I really love this yarn. I think I'm addicted to this yarn. I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm going to make with this yarn, but it is beautiful.